Okay, so my son is making his famous chile verde tonight, which is pork and it's a green, what is it, Matt? A green salsa?
Let's see. Well, it's a green salsa, but we also want to I do throw in tomatoes and some bell peppers, some garlic, some cilantro, some green chilies. I kind of hype it up a little bit. You know, I could do roasting some tomatillos, but this is kind of the easier way to do it. That's about it.
So right now he's got in the pork.
We've already browned the meat. We've already got the green sauce in there. I just added onion and jalapeno and garlic. We'll let that go and get it up to a boil. Well, not a rapid boil. And then we'll start layering it with other vegetables and spices.
And then he makes homemade Mexican rice, which is to die for. It's so good. Yeah. So that's what's for dinner today. And this is my mom's favorite. And so we're going to be looking forward to that. And I'll show it to you throughout the day as it cooks down. It is delicious. So Matt's gone ahead and he's added the bell pepper in. So we've got that all simmering. And that is going to be good. Yes, it is. Okay, Matt's stirring the pot of goodness. And that is looking yummy. So he's going to go ahead and add, what do you add, Matt?
Tomatoes. And lots of them.
Are they tomatoes or tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
you lost one. Pick it up, throw it in there.
What's awesome.
You get clean hands. Your hands are clean.
What's awesome, color, for one thing. And on top of that, sweetness with the pork. Needs another hour and a half at least.
Oh yeah.
At least.
Get that pork all tender and...
You might have to salt it appropriately.
Yeah.
Accordingly.
That looks good. You make the best chile verde, Matt. All right, we'll let that simmer then. Okay, touchdown Arizona. Yay! Way to go, AZ. So let's get our extra point.
This time it's Anthony Brown. The Cowboys have it covered. Anthony Brown is going to come down right here, and he's on Antoine Wesley, but he lets him go.
Good job. Good job. So we have the Mexican rice and the chile verde, and heating up the tortillas, and it looks delicious. Does that look good? Yummy. Looks yummy. Okay guys, so still not done, but better. I got a lot of it done, and I should have it done, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. But I actually went to Walmart to get more bins. They were out of bins. Can you believe it? I found 2 small bins, like, I'll show you. I found 2 small bins this size. And that'll be fine for what I need to come off the tree. And then I got a good medium-sized bin, brought it home, and it's cracked on the bottom, so now I have to take it back. But Walmart completely out of bins. Okay, so I decided I wanted to dress up my Valentine's banner I made. So I am going to add a little twine bow, and then I'm going to place buttons in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I think it's going to come out really cute. So I think this is coming out really cute. So I put the 4 buttons on and the twine bow. And I'm going to do that on all. There's a total of 6 squares on this banner. And I really think that touched it up. I like it a lot. Hey guys, so this is the final banner. And I think it came out really cute. When I hang it up, it's around 6 feet long. And I really like it better with the buttons and the little twine bow. So now I gotta finish working on those little hearts I was making. I gotta put ribbons on those. Okay, so sorry the TV's loud. The boys are watching a movie, and that's okay. I'll just talk loud. Anyways, these are those fabric hearts that I made because I'm going to do a Valentine's tree. And I made 4 of these gingham print and 4 of the red and white striped. And then this is that little Paris print. And I did 4 of those. So I went to Walmart today and I found, gosh, they were out of almost all the ribbon. This isn't exactly what I wanted, but it'll work. So it came, I don't know, 8 ribbons. You know, I think this was about, I want to say like $6.97 or something like that. So I'm going to use these. I'll choose which one I want. And I'm going to put a bow here and then a ribbon hanger so I can hang them up on my tree. So I'm going to get busy and start this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I think these little hearts really came out cute. Now I'm not going to finish all of them tonight, and I'm not going to be hanging them on my tree. I will wait until February before I do that. But I'm just trying to get a head start on Valentine's. Like I say, I don't really have any Valentine's decorations, so I'm going to try to make a lot of my own. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And please subscribe. We would love to have you as part of our family. And to everybody else that has subscribed, thank you so much. We love you guys. And I will see you soon. And you take care. Love ya. Bye-bye.